Hello, Mr. Geislard here, and we're going to take a look at this one. I'm going to have to use a couple of different strategies when I'm doing this one. The first one is the division rule for logs. So when I take these two, since I'm subtracting, I can rewrite that as the log base 3 of 27 divided by x is equal to 8. Now, I'm going to use the idea of the inverse exponent, and if I have a log, if I take and raise each side, or make that the exponent of each side with a base 3, 3 raised to the exponent of log base 3 cancels out and leaves me with 27 over x equals 3 to the 8th power. At this point, you're going to want to take your calculator and do 3 to the 8th power, and you're going to end up with something like 27 over x equals 6561. And now you can make this into a proportion and solve. So I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. So I have 6561x is equal to 27. Divide by 6561. And if I were to reduce that fraction, I'm going to end up with 1 over 243.